What the net result of that technology is, you have an ability to control 0.9 millimeters thickness, but you have the thickness only in the areas where you need it to be. So even though the lingual and the buccal were 0.9 millimeters thick, if you look at that picture on the middle there, it's 0.9 millimeters on the sides, but over the occlusal, where the contact is going to be, it's 2.4 millimeters. What that translates to is where the impact zone is of occlusion, it's actually thicker and reinforced in that area, so you're going to have a lot less breakages, right? So it keeps the lingual and the buccal very thin, so that anatomically the tongue can still recognize the anatomy, but on the occlusion, it gives it further support, so you have less chances of fractures.
The aligner system, printing system, is absolutely amazing. My particular interest is in the bright aligner. The fact that a patient can wear the aligner immediately and have white teeth, which is usually what the patient is looking for. Instantly white teeth while they're having their teeth straightened. Amazing.